My artist name is Ali6. I'm known for murals all across the city. The last 2 days of painting the mural, it's been amazing to see all the community that stops by and very supportive. It means so much to be able to even have that opportunity and have Rust-Oleum a part of the same project.
I think the mural represents everything that it means to be Puerto Rican in this community. The two aspects of the mural are two coquí figures. This is preserving all that culture here in the diaspora, keeping this mural on the wall to showcase it every day. It's amazing to see.
Growing up in Humboldt Park, it means so much, especially to be working with the community space that does so much for all the kids, teens, elderly people. Their influences me to want to help people, so it's really cool because it's like that type of thing just grows bigger and bigger.